Hey there. So now we have used buzzer with the ESP32 module. So like in the last videos, we learned how to in how to connect the LED with the ESP32, and just for some time I'm removing this buzzer. Yeah, so as we can see that the buzzer has two legs, that is a smaller one and a bigger one. The bigger leg, that is the anode, will be going to the same D2 of the ESP module, that is in some ESP it will be written as GIPO. So GIPO and D are both the same thing. So the red one, the positive, will be going to the anode of the buzzer module, and the negative will be going, that is ground of the ESP, will be going to the shorter leg of the buzzer module. So now when I insert the buzzer, we can see that the buzzer is giving us alarm for 2 seconds, and then it is turning off. So this is what we have made today using ESP32 module. Like, we have integrated the buzzer module with the ESP32 module. So it is very much simple connection. So I have given you the circuit diagram, and let us see the coding part of the same thing. So let us see the code. As we have seen the circuit diagram and the connections for the ESP buzzer module, so let us see the code. It is not so much different from LED blink project. So here we are using just buzzer pin instead of LED pin. Like, the name is changing, and the rest everything, that is the pin number 2, and buzzer pin will be the output, and buzzer pin will be high for 2000 millisecond, that is 2 seconds, and it will be low for 2 seconds. So that is what we are defining in this whole code. So then let us select the board and the communication port. So ESP32 DEV module, and that is the communication port 9. So I will verify and upload the code to the while uploading. First we need to verify this. If not, as we have seen now, that we may get that error. So let us wait for it to verify. So as we can see that there is no any error in our program. So now as the board and port is already selected, I will just upload the code to the ESP32 module. And while uploading also, it will first check if there is any error in our code, and then it will be uploading the code to the ESP32 module. Now we can see that it is uploaded successfully. And now when I connect the buzzer to the ESP32 module, it will start giving us the alarm, as we can listen in the background. So now with this, we learned how to integrate the buzzer with the ESP32 module. In the next few videos, we'll be learning more projects using the ESP32 module. So that is it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.